welcome back. We're gonna do our hair. So you've seen the thumbnail, you know that I'm doing a curlier style. All the products that I use to wash my hair and condition it, I will leave it down in the description bar, so if you have any questions about that, just check down there, because it's not really so much so about the products today as it is about like the technique and the method. I'm also going to be using some clip-ins to achieve my final look today. I will link down below my video where I actually made these exact clip-ins, but I just did what I call like a rough straighten over all my hair. It literally took me like, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. So when I do my hair like this, I always sort of start sectioning towards the bottom. I still curl my hair away from my face. I don't curl it, well damn. So the thing is these gloves are making it slippery, so I can't get a good hold on my hair. I curl my hair away from my face, and as you can see, I kind of leave some of it out. Like I don't curl it all the way at the root, and I try to get as close to the ends as possible. Now you might say, Niara, these curls that you're doing right now, girl, they look raggedy. They do. I do think it's important to curl all your hair because this hair peeks out in places. This hair back here, nobody's barely gonna see it, girl. So it can be a little raggedier than the others, than the other curls. I also get a lot of questions, and I know someone's gonna ask, do I sleep with my clip-ins? Absolutely. I've personally never seen any detriment to me sleeping with my clip-ins in. So we have our first layer down at the bottom, done, okay? I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb and I'm just gonna brush it out. And because this section is like towards the bottom, I'm just gonna use a clip that's like 2 prongs, like, or has 2 clips in it. Sometimes what I will do is go in and fully straighten the clip-ins and then curl them. I'm not gonna do that today. Because this curl pattern I feel like is working in my favor, I don't think I'm gonna do that this time. But what I am gonna do though is like kind of curl it a little bit with some of my hair just to make sure the curls are uniform, or not uniform, but just like they're the same type of curls. Like that, okay? And then I'll run through it with the comb again. My hair and my clip-ins might not be like an exact color match at the moment, but that's okay. Personally, I just feel like it's gonna be like so much hair and curls and stuff, you're not really gonna be able to tell. I feel like it's a little bit much and overwhelming when you're trying to like curl your entire hair with this thing, and then put them all in like that. It just gets to be much, girl. This is my process and how I do it. So I'm gonna stop talking now because I'm getting kind of tired. And I'll just let you guys watch me how I style this. Again, all the products and everything and videos that you might need will be linked down below, so make sure you check down there before you leave a comment, because y'all don't be checking the description. So I know I'm probably gonna get asked like, how do I maintain my hair with I sleep? And it's flat twist. But also like when I'm doing my hair like this, I find that it's like necessary to like flat twist the hair so that it gets like some definition, so that everything starts to like fit together. And I'm gonna do that all the way around on this bottom portion. So these big little dookie twists, that's what we're gonna call them. We're getting closer to the top here, and if you're skipping around, these are not clip-ins that I bought. These are clip-ins that I made. The video to that will be down below. Almost done. We're at the top portion now, which is like the most important. I probably spend the most time. I've gone ahead and canceled my appointment. It's crucial that this part of your hair, the top part, has the most curl, the most fluff, the most bounce, because this is really what people are seeing. I like this portion right here to have this like curl that starts at the root. You don't want it to be straight like it was like down further. You probably have seen me do this, but I don't know if I've really said in this video just yet what I'm doing. So after I curl my real hair, I go in with a little bit of this Paul Mitchell Flexible Style Super Clean Spray. Give it a little spritz. And then taking a little bit of Verb Ghost Oil, spraying it down too. Because these curls, I want them to last, but I also want them to just be super shiny. I would just recommend when you're combing out, use a wide tooth comb, because the smaller the comb, like the frizzier the curls are gonna get quicker. And I'm gonna do a vlog style how I maintain this style during the week, so y'all can see that. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side that I'm doing on this side. Now I just have 2 clips left. So this is my last clip that's gonna go in. It's like a little single clip. It just has 1 clip on it, and this is just to add a little bit of length up here, and it doesn't really even add too much, but it'll just add a little bit of something. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of do the same thing on this side that I did with the lower portion where I did the flat twists. And I'm not doing it all the way down, just like maybe halfway. This again is just a method that's just gonna help everything kind of like marry together. The curls are gonna come together. If you know how to do a flat twist, then you know how to maintain this at night. But I'll do another like in-depth video on that later. Okay, so we're all done. We all dookie twisted out. Okay, so I'm gonna undo these ones. I just did those. It's just wearing my hair like this always kind of throws me for a loop the first time because it's just so different than like how I usually wear my hair. Undo these. These didn't get to sit for as long, but I feel like this side of my hair came out a little better anyway. Yeah, I don't really need to do much this side, I don't feel like. Dare I say it, y'all? I think that's it. I like it. I think it's cute. I'll link everything, like I said, will be down in the description. Do not fret, children. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.